Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I want to present my presentation about article journal. My article is made by me and my lecturer, that is Mr. Tuyori Fajar, entitled Paradox of Final Assessment in Indonesian Schools, represented in TikTok with Content Creators Perspective. First, I want to introduce myself. My name is Wisnu Wicaksono. I'm from English Education, and slide is abstract. For the abstract is this study examines how TikTok material reflects the paradox of final assessment in Indonesian school. The phenomenon known as abracadabra grades draws attention to the practice of teacher manipulating test result in order to achieve the K-12 minimum passing grade or KKM requirement. This study explores how these approaches affect student motivation, teacher responsibility, and educational integrity. The study aims to comprehend the element causing this contradiction and how it's portrayed on social media by examining TikTok videos from content creators like at Afni Wahyuni 24, at Grace Mangontan, and at Amalia. The result point to complicated instruction in cultural norms, educational regulation, and the demand placed on teachers through content creator perspective. And for the keyword is paradox, final assessment, TikTok content creator, Indonesian school, representation theory, and social media analysis. And next slide is introduction. So in introduction, I divided to 4 points, and the first point is the teacher takes the responsibility for the result of the student grades, where if a student has poor result, the teacher will be blamed or considered incompetent in their way of teaching. The second point is the teacher used TikTok as social media to express their opinion. Then, content was appeared is called abracadabra grades, which is represent the teacher can do a magic, change student grade to be better grades like magician. This research was used content videos from TikTok content creators, which is at afuni24, at Chris Mangontan, at Anamalia underscore. And the fourth point is the video were analyzed through the lens of whole representation theory and the encoding or decoding. And for the next slide is the method or the research method. For the research design, the writer used for this research is a descriptive qualitative research, and for the collecting data, the writer used the research was conducted by using ethnography, and for the data source, the writer used TikTok videos from several TikTok content creators, and the data analysis, the writer used by qualitative Miles Habermer, that is data reduction, data display, and conclusion drawing and verification. And for the next slide is findings. So based on the result, there are 4 TikTok videos from 3 accounts. There are from at Afni Wahyuni 24 2 videos, at Grace Mangontan 1 video, and at Amalia underscore 1 video. Obtain the list of paradox content in video as below. The first is statement form, second is symbol, third is visual, fourth is audio, and fifth is situation. So for the next slide is discussion. So this article is focused on content creators perspective. So in the video created by Grace Pangontan and Atamali underscore, humor and the abracadabra song are employed to normalize grade manipulation, presenting it as a whimsical solution to systemic academic problems. This representation aligns with the hegemonic dominant position, suggesting that such practices are typical and accepted within the academic context. Conversely, at Afni Wahyuni 24 video reflect a negotiated position, acknowledging the discomfort and ethical dilemmas faced by teachers who manipulate grades. The creators' statement highlight the systemic pressure that compel educators to engage in such practices, portraying it as a reluctant necessity rather than a preferred solution. And the oppositional position is also evident in some videos, particularly in the critique of the institutionalization of grade manipulation. This viewpoint emphasizes the ethical conflict and more professional dissatisfaction experienced by educators advocating for systemic change to address the root causes of these practices. So for the next slide is conclusion. So the study concludes that TikTok videos offer a multifaceted representation of grade manipulation, reflecting the complex ethical and professional dilemmas faced by teachers. This representation underscores the need for systemic change in educational assessment system to address the underlying issues that lead to such practices. Future research could further explore the impact of this representation on public perception and policy development. And for the next slide is reference that I use for the study. And then I think that all from me. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.